Come back to Helper Dad. Today, we're going to learn how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. A Gantt chart is essentially a visual project schedule that helps you understand task dependencies and track progress effectively. It's a great way to keep your projects organized and on schedule. Lucidchart is a collaborative diagramming tool that's perfect for creating Gantt charts. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to access Lucidchart. Simply go to lucidchart.com and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Once you're in, create a new document by clicking the plus new button and choosing Lucidchart document. Alternatively, you can kickstart your process by searching for a Gantt template to get a head start. Don't forget to name your document appropriately. Let's set up your Gantt chart structure. Begin by determining all the individual tasks needed to complete your project. Break down any large tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks for better control. Next, identify any dependencies between these tasks, noting which ones need to be completed before others can begin. Also, identify any parallel tasks that can be worked on simultaneously. Finally, estimate the time required to complete each task, using consistent units like days or weeks for accurate tracking. Tease time to create the task rows. Use table shapes or simple text boxes to create individual rows for each task you've identified. Make sure to align these rows neatly and consistently for readability. Then, add the name of each task to its corresponding row, and organize your tasks in a logical order, perhaps by project phase or category, to keep things clear. How we need to represent task durations with bars. Use rectangular shapes to visually represent how long each task is estimated to take. Size these bars proportionally to the duration, making longer tasks represented by longer bars. Place these bars on a timeline, aligning the start of each bar with its corresponding task start date. This timeline represents your entire project schedule. For further clarity, customize the appearance of the bars, changing their colors to differentiate between task types or project phases. Consider adding labels within the bars to show the task name or deadline for easy identification. ETs indicate those important task dependencies. Use connector lines, typically arrows, to show the relationships between tasks. Connect the end of a predecessor task, the one that needs to finish first, to the beginning of its successor, the task that depends on it. There are different types of dependencies. Finish to start, the most common, where a task can't start until the previous one finishes. Start to start, where two tasks start together. Finish to finish, where two tasks finish together. And start to finish, where a task can't finish until another starts. Customize these connectors for clarity by adjusting line styles, colors, and arrowheads. E should add milestones to highlight significant moments. Identify those key project milestones, such as important deliverables or deadlines, and represent them on the timeline using distinct markers like diamond shapes. Be sure to label each milestone clearly so everyone knows what it represents. Racking progress is an optional but highly recommended step. Add progress indicators to your chart, such as shading or percentages, to visually represent the degree of completion for each task. Remember to update the Gantt chart regularly to reflect actual progress, adjusting task durations and dependencies as needed to keep it accurate and useful. Lastly, let's talk about collaboration and sharing. Lucidchart makes it easy to share your document with collaborators via email or a shareable link. You can set permission levels to control who can view, edit, or comment on the chart. Utilize the comments and feedback features for discussions, and co-edit the chart in real time to ensure everyone is on the same page. In conclusion, Lucidchart is a fantastic tool for creating Gantt charts, offering a visual and collaborative way to manage your projects. I encourage you to start building your own Gantt charts to improve your project management skills. Check out Lucidchart's Gantt chart template gallery for some inspiration to get you started. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.